Donald Trump and one of his private jet. Okay, I'll be targeting here on Thursday, no be so.
Yes, sir.
See, when I pray for this man, one time, now remember the Arabian depot we blast for 2016, no be so.
Mm.
No, it blast for 2019. Sorry, I give that prophecy come to me for 2016 for the people the way I be showing a year. It come for 2016. Now I will pray for these people. They make this oil depot no blast. Make people not die. God say, if that one first, pray for Donald Trump. So the matter is not the president. The matter is what God wants to use the president to do for the church. Amen.
Amen.
So I beg, when I pray for this man, all this, all the demonic Democrats, the Copraso in Mali, let me put it that way. They have done all they can. They just can't stop this man. Now let them blast his private jet with him in it. I pray the private jet should blast before he enters. There's enough money to buy even three. God has prepared him well to accomplish his task. But my prayer is he shouldn't come across false prophets who instead lead him astray to fulfill negative end time prophecies. Instead, he should come across the real ministers of God that has destined for him to work with, so that can give edification and comfort to the church. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, so that's my problem. The next prophecy.